'cause the sun is shining on me. I am Shay. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay. Shay with the pow, biceps are popping. I'm just waiting for my six-pack to pop. It needs to pop the hell out. I don't even know why it's playing with me. Well, I know why it's playing with me. It's because I've been eating a bunch of shit. That's why it's been playing with me. All of them chips that I got from Bonds, my gritty ass. Almost ate them all already. I was eating to my sister. My gritty ass. But listen. Yeah, if you're new here, definitely subscribe. Hit the like button, support your girl. Definitely hype your girl up. And so, as far as today, my weekend, I need 15 offers for $5. Hoping I can knock this out. I did hit my midweek for my last video. I only needed 3 offers, so I was like, let me just go get this $5 real quick and stop playing. So I did hit that. As far as the larger bonus, this is my final one, and I need like 50 offers, y'all. 51 offers, and it's not gonna happen. So I'm happy that I got 2 out of 3 in the comments. What did you guys get out of the 3 bonuses, the big bonuses? I only got 2. That's all I'm gonna do. I only have like, what, 2 days? A day and a wake-up call. So it's not gonna happen. As far as today, I do have repeats, of course. I have something that I want to try. I'm gonna see if I can stack this coupon with Ibotta, because I know that stacking coupons with Ibotta doesn't work for everybody. All right, but it's been working for me, so I've been doing it. All right, so if I can stack a coupon, I'm gonna stack a coupon, you know. And so I'm gonna try that. We're gonna see if it works out. I have been still doing the Hillshire. I did it twice for this haul. If you're gonna do that deal and you still have both offers, I would definitely do that sooner than later. And I cannot pass up some deli meat, because I'm gonna buy it anyway. So I'd love to get it for free. I'd love to get paid to take it. Sign me up. I still got a lot of sausage in the freezer now. So with that being said, because your girl has talked enough, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can get today. If you want to see what your girl I always stutter at this part. If you want to see what your girl got, you're going to hit the like button and keep on watching and hype your girl up. All right, so first up is the Ocean Spray Zero Sugar. Now these are priced at $3.67. I'm maxing this deal out and grabbing 4, paying $14.68 out of pocket, getting back $9 on inbox dollars, and then $4 on checkout 51. It's going to bring them down to only 42 cents each. Now, with this deal, check your sister apps. Some apps I have $4.50, others I have $4. And then with this deal, I am submitting for inbox dollars first because it's a much higher amount. Then checkout 51. This receipt went straight through, and then I submitted the receipt to checkout 51, which also cleared pretty quickly. And so yeah, definitely is not a bad deal. This is also an awesome deal. Check your sister apps because I have different amounts for different apps. And so for this one, I did do it twice for this haul. I grabbed 4 of them on one receipt. They're priced at $3.97. I paid $15.88 out of pocket. And then I had 2 different offers on my points. One was $6, one was $5. And so I ended up getting back a total of $22 from my points. And then I also submitted for 2 different offers on checkout 51. One was $1.10, one was $1, making all 4 free plus an $8.22 moneymaker. Now the second set that I did was for, I think it was for Upromise. I didn't have the offer for checkout 51 because I've already done it, but it was still a really awesome deal. And I think it made that one like a $6 moneymaker, which is still pretty awesome. And again, this is another deal that I did submit on the sister app first, and then I submit it for checkout 51. Whenever the amount is getting back a lot more, I submit for Swagbucks or one of the sister apps first, and then I submit to checkout 51. All right, so I decided to grab the Fancy Feast again. There are some that are marked on clearance for 50 cents. I found 3. I paid $1.50, and then I got back 75 cents from both Ibotta as well as Tada, making all 3 free. Big shout out to Coupon Mode for letting us know that Ibotta added some other fragrances or scents. And so I went ahead and grabbed the Glade. They're priced at $2.98, getting back $2 on Ibotta with a limit of 3, bringing them down to only 98 cents each. All right, so next up is the Arm & Hammer detergent. We're grabbing one of these at $3.84. We're getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also a Venmo PayPal rebate you can do as well, and that came back really, really fast. bringing this down to only 84 cents. All right, so next up is the Purcell. I also sat my store didn't have any of the original scent, and so for this we're grabbing one, price at $5.44, getting back 2 on Ibotta, a limit of 1, and then getting back $3.24 on Shopkick, which is a limit of 3, bringing it down to only 20 cents. So hopefully I'll find some tomorrow. All right, so I've been grabbing the Almay on repeat. Now this offer for Ibotta for $3, it does work on the liquid as well as the pads. So I started getting the 80 count as well. They're priced at $5.78. I've been using a $3 printable from coupons.com. It scans perfectly fine. You'll pay $2.78. Getting back 3 on Ibotta makes it a 22-cent moneymaker. Of course, you can use the sister apps and check out 51, but I've already used those offers. And so, all right, this is another deal I've been doing on repeat. It's on the Mitchum deodorant. It's priced at $3.98. Now, I did try the $2 printable. It's not scanning for me. So grabbing 1, getting back 2 on Ibotta and 2 on Tada makes this a 2-cent moneymaker. Another deal that I've been doing on repeat is on the Arm & Hammer toothpaste, priced at $3.98, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta. And $1.50 on Tada is going to make this 98 cents. This is another really awesome deal. It's on the Cetaphil Baby. It's priced at $5.87. I've been using a $3 printable from coupons.com. You'll pay $2.87 out of pocket, getting back $2.25 on Ibotta with a limit of 3, bringing them down to only 55 cents each. All right, so this is the final deal. If you are still watching, don't forget to hit the like button, you guys. If you are this far in the video, hit the like button. And so this is the last deal. Wanted to see if the $5 printable would work with this Ibotta offer. And so I grabbed 2 of the Ensure Complete priced at $12.53. That total is going to come to $25.06. Again, the $5 printable is on coupons.com. Now, it did not scan for me in self-checkout. However, I did go to customer support because their lines were just stupid long. And luckily, the cashier put it through for me, which they almost never do. And so I think she put it in under vendor coupon, and so it brought the total down to $15.06. I got back $12.53 from Ibotta, bringing them down to only $8.26 per pack, which is an awesome deal. All right, so I just have a couple deals that I did at Target. The first one's on the mock creamer. It's priced at $6.49. We have an offer on Social Nature that's going to make it absolutely free, and then we have $1 back on Ibotta as well, making this a $1 moneymaker. Now check your Social Nature offers, because the other day we got a ton of new offers. Next up is the Unreal. Now this I saw this posted on Instagram, and I texted the number, but I didn't get nothing back. And so I deleted the post because I put a post on my community tab. So I deleted the post because it didn't seem like it was working, but then literally I got the text message the next day. So it's on the Unreal. It's priced at $6.39. You'll get that back through aisles. I'm making this absolutely free, and I'll have a link for you in the Google Doc. All right, so this deal here is at Sprouts. Now, I did, when I did my Sprouts video the other day, this offer glitched, and it gave you back 3 offers instead of 2. And all I needed was 3 to hit my midweek. And so that's why I did this deal there. It's priced at $6.99, buy 1 get 1 50% off. So you'll pay $10.48, getting back $3.50 for each on Ibotta. It didn't glitch for me though, so I did get back 7, and then I got back a total of $3.90 on Merryfield, making this a 49-cent moneymaker. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. So I'm gonna try to be quick. Everything here worked out good. All the coupons that I used today worked except the Ensure. That one didn't scan for me in self-checkout. I took it to customer service, and luckily they were able to put it through for me. I want to see if the coupon will work on the BOGO offer for the ones that are around $10. So I'll probably do that maybe today or tomorrow. That's pretty much it for this haul. And so everything that you see here retails $138.51. I did have $19 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $119.51. And then we're walking away with $50.78 from Ibotta, $24 from Upromise, $22 from My Points. Inbox dollars was $9. Social Nature was $6.49. Aisle is $6.39. Checkout 51 was $6.10. Tada is $4.25. Merryfield $3.92. And last but not least, we have the $1 back for the Arm & Hammer offer, getting back a total of $133.93. It's going to make everything you see here free plus a $14.42 moneymaker, which is pretty awesome. Deals I definitely want to do again would be the Cetaphil Baby. I want to do the Ocean Spray again. Hillshire is still there, so I'll probably most likely do that again. And so yeah, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. In the comments, I want to see, give me your last emoji that you used in your phone in the comments. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video.